Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I will continue the last experiment. We talked about it, we solved it. I just changed the IP addresses. I got the net mask here /16 because usually we will use here Ripple protocol version 1, and in Ripple protocol version 1 you cannot use here, you should or you must use the standard mask. If you want to use here version 2 or version 2, then you can use the submitting and you can change this one. Okay, because usually RIP 2 is support uh, uh, supported here classes. But okay, I will change it because in our lab we are not, it's not required to use ref 2, so we will just focus on ref 1. So I change here just the first section in the left. I put it here /16/16. This is the only change. Okay, so let's try to solve this one. I create a circuit as usual with the routers connect computer with each other. You can see that between these two computers, I use the cross cable, and between computer and router, I use the cross cable. Between computer router and switch or switch to VC, I use the standard here straight through cable. So let's do the configuration, and I put all addresses near each port or each interface. So I will make it easy to configure. Okay. So let's start. I'll go to router 1 and make the whole configuration. This router 1, as you see in the experiment, its name is low. The secret password, the VTY password, and the console password, it's red 1. And configure the port. So let's do it. This is router 1. So enable to look to the privilege mode. The config key to go to here global configuration mode. Let's change the name, host name. Okay. No. Okay. Then let's configure the secret password. Enable secret. It's red 1. And the console password is red 1 also. So line console 0. It should be here password. It should be also red 1. And login to enable the password and exit. Let's configure the VTY password. So line VTY, we should use 0 to 4 because it's a standard and it's not mentioned. So you can use 0 to 4, or you can use any value from 0 to any number. So password, it's red 1. And then login to enable and exit. So we configure secret password, the console password, and VTY password. So we still need to configure the interfaces. So I will go to interface, path is password on it, 0/0. And this one, it is here, the IP address is 105.40.0.1 /16. So 255.255.0.0 /16 means 255.255.0.0. So okay, now shut down. To enable the port, exit. We finished here fast on it. Let's go to the serial 3 interface serial 3/0, and you can see it is. You can see that serial 2 is the DTE. So this is the DTE, no need for clock. So just give the address 100.10.0.2 and /8. So it's 255.0.0.0. Okay, and no shutdown. There is no clock rate because it's DTE. No shutdown and exit. We finish configuring both ports. So now you need to enable here routing rep, router rep. Okay. The first network, it is 140.40.0.0. The complete one is the class B, and the other one is from class A, so 100.0.0.0. So we finish both of them. Exit. Okay, everything is done correctly. So just try. We finish configure the router 1. So let's do the same thing to router 2 again. It's enable config T the host name. It should be R, change it to R. This configure secret password name secret. It is as I remember it's Bluetooth. You can see that the password is Bluetooth for secret, PTY, and console. So let's continue. Okay, line console 0, line console 0. Okay, password is Bluetooth. You again to enable it. Exit. We still need to configure the PTY, and by default it is 0 to 4. Password also it is Bluetooth. Again to enable it and exit. We finish configuring everything except the ports. So let's configure the ports interface. Let's start from left, serial 2/0. Okay, IP address it is 100.10.0.1/8, so it is 250.0.5.0.0, and it is there is a clock, so it's DCE. So let's configure the clock rate, and the clock rate is the value is 65,000. So go to the clock rate and no shutdown to enable it. We finish here serial port. So let's go to the fast Ethernet 01 interface, fast Ethernet 0/1, 1/0, fast Ethernet 1/0. Be careful about the name of the port. Okay, so the IP address is 30.0.1/8, so it is 255.0.0.0. No shutdown to enable it. We finish it. So let's go to the fast Ethernet 00 interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, the last port. Okay, the IP address it is 20.20.0.1 with a mask/8, so /8. We finish it, no shutdown. Okay, exit. So everything till now is okay. Now we still need to configure router rep. Okay, and add the all network connected to this router. So it's network 100, network 30, network 20. So network 100, 0.0.0, network class A, 30.0.0.0, second network, and the third network it is 20. So I add here both three networks. Okay, and then right. Control the Z, and then right, I save all configuration. I go to the each PC and define the IP address and the gateway. So I will go to PC1, this one, click this PC, start IP configuration, static IP address 140.0.40.0.10, mask /16. I return to the default, and the default gateway 140.40.0.1. Okay, so done. Everything is okay. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to the other one. PC2 IP address. The IP address is 30.30.0.10. Mask /8. Okay, default gateway 30.30.0.1. Okay, we finish the second VC. Let's go to the third VC. Okay, VC3, this one. The IP address it is 20.20.0.10. Mask default, I use default, and 20.20.0.1. Okay, the IP address, everything now is okay. Okay, so I configure all things. Okay, now I need to save all my work. Okay, save. I was in the desktop. I create a new folder with my name. Okay, so Muhammad Kawana. usually you must save it in the desktop, in the desktop with your name and your ID number. Okay, so this assume this is 2017 10. This is my number 255. So I save it in this one, and the same my name with my ID with my ID number. I don't remember what the number is, so I will put another number. Don't worry, you must use your ID number. So save. I save everything now. Now let's check if everything is okay. You can test from this one is linked from this PC to this PC. It's in progress, no problem. Okay, again, it is successfully. Let's now do it from this PC, to this PC, successfully from this PC. Okay, the first time usually it give you a fair, but try to next time you can see that it is successfully from this one to this one. You can see everything is successfully. Let's bring from each PC. So I will bring from this PC to all PCs. Command prompt. Okay. So let's bring. Make sure that it's connect correctly 30.30.0.10. I'll try bring from this computer PC1. You can see to PC2. Let's see everything is done correctly. There is no problem. Okay. Let's bring here second PC here 20. Bring 20.20.0.10. You can see that everything is done correctly. There is no problem. Okay. And the network is run correctly. Let's bring from ABC. Let's go from this one and try to bring all the other PC. Okay. Let's bring from this PC to this PC. So I will bring 140.40.0.10. You can see that everything is running smoothly. There is no problem. And this bring 20. Something 0.10. You can see there's no problem. The experiment is 100 complete. There's no problem, no error, and this is fine. This is the whole experiment. Just put your devices, connect them, make the configuration, and save it. This is the whole experiment. Okay, and